I grew up in Hanson on the south side of the Snake River on a small family farm with my dad farming with his brother and his dad. I never thought I would be a farmer. Funny how that works. So kind of just wanted to start my own thing, and I enjoyed being in the dirt and growing things, and it's evolved a lot over the last 10 years. From CSAs to restaurants, retail, wholesale. As we continue to grow, we learned that Idaho actually is a great place to grow just about anything. I grow over 100 different varieties of produce, fruit, vegetables. You just gotta try. Like, don't base it off of the books. Don't base it off of the experts. If we did that, I never would have started growing strawberries because the soil pH is way too high and you can't grow them here. And we just did it anyways. We've been growing strawberries for about 5 years. It's been a huge success because we've failed a lot. So we're learning. Every year we learn something new. One of the biggest reasons why we can't give that up is the flavor of the fruit. We try really hard to work with other like-minded consumers and restaurants, bakeries, kind of the seasonality of the produce. Like, things change every single week, and that's something they understand and strive really hard to manage and work with. And I think I'm happy to be a farmer now, and it's what I'm supposed to be doing. I sort of feel obligated to do it because I can. I find it almost a spiritual connection with what I'm doing. The soil, the plants, watching them grow and change, having knowing that when I plant a seed, there's an opportunity for it to grow into something. For me, it's like going to church every day.